Why is your fridge making too much ice? Easy fix. Excess ice in a fridge is often due to the refrigerator's door not sealing properly, allowing warm, humid air to enter, leading to moisture buildup and freezing. Easy fixes include checking for obstructions or food blocking the door, ensuring the fridge is level, and inspecting the door gasket for damage or dirt that prevents a tight seal. Here are some tips. Check for obstructions. Make sure the door is not being blocked by food or containers, preventing it from closing completely. Ensure the fridge is level. An unlevel refrigerator can cause the doors to close improperly. Use a level to check, and adjust the leveling feet as needed. Inspect the door seal, gasket. Look for dirt, debris, or damage on the rubber seal around the door. Clean the gasket with warm, soapy water. A simple test. Close the door on a piece of paper. If you can easily pull it out, the seal is not tight enough. Organize your food. Keep your freezer organized so you can find what you need quickly, reducing the time the door is left open. Limit door openings. Open the door as little as possible and try to retrieve multiple items at once to minimize the amount of warm, moist air entering the compartments. When to call a professional. If these don't work, it could indicate a more complex issue like a clogged defrost drain or a faulty thermostat, requiring professional assistance.